What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, man. And it's actually been a minute since I talked about anything AirPods related. And I kind of wanted to talk about a specific weird situation that AirPods 3 are kind of in. Now, I'm not going to open my AirPods because they're super dirty, but you guys are going to comment and be like, oh my God, you have dirty ears, whatever. Dude, I do not have dirty ears. If you guys comment that, I'm probably going to pin the first one I see, but then I'll probably like it. Maybe I'll leave a comment or two, but I'm going to be super disrespected. But here's the thing, and this is the weird situation about it, okay? AirPods 3 are supposed to be coming out later this year, like literally in like a couple months potentially. Again, these are all rumors. Because, and this is mostly to do with AirPods 2, they were originally supposed to be released in 2018, like during the, I think like the November time frame, or maybe the October, whatever the case that was. They were supposed to be released on that time during the holidays, but Apple decided not to do that because then they were able to sell the original AirPods, still sell those for a lot of money, and then release the AirPods 2 later on in 2019. And now AirPods 3s are supposed to be coming out this year in a couple months. And here's the thing, like if that actually happens, what's going to happen to AirPods 2? I'm pretty sure they're still going to be there. But the issue is that the time frame is just super weird. Original AirPods released in 2016, AirPods 2 released in 2019, and then AirPods 3 are also releasing in 2019 as well. So that'll technically mean that the AirPods 3 will have to only be more expensive than the original AirPods 2. And that has to do with the features and everything, I guess, and the dark model that we're supposed to be getting. Hopefully that'll be really, really cool. But that's going to be really, really, really high in price because even the wireless charging AirPods 2 case with the AirPods and all that, I mean, that's still kind of expensive in my opinion. And then you have to go and you have to factor in the AirPods 3, like potentially what could that be? What could that cost? And that will probably cost, in my opinion, like $300 almost, give or take. And that is a massive amount of money to spend on some wireless headphones. I mean, yes, they're good, yes, they're this or that, but they would have to be like some of the best model of AirPods or best model of headphones, like that you plug in your ear, because dude, that's a mad amount of price. And that's the weird thing about it, you know. Yes, it might bring in more features, it might bring in more this, it might bring in more that. But the thing and the problem that I have with this is that I don't want to spend too much money on something that's, you know, I can get with my original AirPods or even my AirPods 2. Like, why am I going to drop like $300 on a pair of headphones? Again, these are all rumors. I don't have anything way to back this up. But I think it's a really, really, really weird situation. You know, I think they should release AirPods 3 this year. I mean, I would love to see it. If they release it next year, I won't be too salty either. But I think going back, they probably should have released AirPods 2 probably last year in order to kind of streamline the whole entire lineup. Because I don't know, if I bought AirPods 2 and I'm like, oh my God, like these are so cool, and then I see AirPods 3 coming out in the same year, like a couple months later, I'd be kind of salty about it. And I can see that same thing with, you know, if you bought an iPhone and then a couple months later there's like a brand new better iPhone and it's just a little bit more expensive, like, yeah, that'll still kind of suck, but I guess it's whatever. But I don't see AirPods 2 getting a drop in price. I think they're going to remain consistent. I think Apple's going to price that the same way. So that only means that Apple is going to release AirPods 3 and it's going to be more expensive than AirPods 2. I don't think it's going to totally replace it like how AirPods 2 did, but I think this is what they're going to do. I don't know for 100% fact, but I don't see how any other way could possibly work. So if you guys have any opinions on this or anything, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Hit that like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscribe that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel, all those things are linked down below. I'd really appreciate if you guys could check it out. But more importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.